Now I will show you how to use Kali Linux. We have all heard of Kali Linux, but why use it everyone? First, we will try to know it. Okay. Kali Linux is an operating system like Windows, and this is completely free. Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution aimed at advanced penetration testing and security editing. Kali contains several hundred tools which are graded towards various information security tasks such as penetration testing, security research, computer forensics, and reverse engineering. Okay. Now go to Google and search for Kali Linux. Open the page with a new tab. Select Download Kali Linux from the menu. We will use installer version Kali Linux. All of the files here are in ISO format. We will use OBF format files. The reason is that for newcomers, using ISO format Kali Linux is a problem. It takes a lot of time to set up, and if there is any mistake in the setup, the whole trouble is wasted. So we download the OBF format file. For this, we will go to the offensive security page. Okay. Okay, here we use VirtualBox software. So select VirtualBox images. Okay. If your computer has 64-bit, download 64-bit. Otherwise, download 32-bit. Okay. I have already downloaded it. See. Okay. Double click. See, show import virtual applications. Okay, rename this, name Kali Linux. Okay, base folder. I don't want to put it in C drive, so I will change the folder addresses. Okay. Check everything. Okay, import, I agree. Wait a few minutes. Import complete. Okay, if you want to change some setting, right click and go to setting. See, showing here one invalid setting. Okay, USB problem. Okay, go to USB and select USB 1.1. Okay. Okay, general, basic, name, type, version. Go to description. See, username and password default Kali. Okay, click the OK button. Now start Kali Linux. If Kali Linux does not open, then see the problem solving lecture of this section. Okay, enter. It's open, loading now. Okay, username is Kali, password is Kali. Okay, it's open. Okay, shut down.